If you've been frustrated with Chrome taking forever to download files, or if your browser just feels sluggish in general, this complete guide will solve those problems. I'm going to share multiple proven methods that you can apply right now to speed up Chrome. Let's start with the first fix. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Click on System at the bottom of the sidebar. Now you'll see two important options here. Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. When this is on, Chrome keeps running processes even after you close the browser. This uses your internet connection, RAM, and CPU in the background. Click the toggle to turn this off. Use acceleration when available. This setting can help or hurt performance depending on your system. Hardware acceleration uses your GPU to help render web pages faster. For most modern computers with decent graphics cards, keep this on. However, if you have an older computer or integrated graphics, try turning this off to see if performance improves. Click Relaunch to apply the settings. In Chrome Settings, look at the left sidebar again and click on Privacy and Security. Click on Security. Scroll down until you find the section called Use Secure DNS. By default, it's usually selected to With your current service provider. This means Chrome is using your internet provider's DNS, which is often slow. Click the second option. Here's my recommendation. Cloudflare. This is usually the fastest option. Cloudflare has servers worldwide and is optimized for speed and privacy. Google Public DNS, also very fast and reliable. Google has excellent infrastructure. I personally use Cloudflare because it's typically the fastest in most locations. Select Cloudflare. However, DNS speed can vary based on your geographic location. Try Cloudflare first and test your download speeds. If you don't see improvement, switch to Google Public DNS and test again. Use whichever performs better in your area. Now click in the Chrome address bar at the very top. Delete whatever is there and type exactly this: Chrome//flags. Press Enter on your keyboard. Don't worry about the warning message you see. We're only changing one specific feature that's completely safe. Click in that box and type Parallel. You should immediately see a result called Parallel Downloading. Currently, it's probably set to Default. Click on the drop-down menu next to Parallel Downloading and select Enabled. A blue button will appear at the bottom right saying Relaunch. Let's clean up cached data. In the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Click on Delete Browsing Data. At the top, you'll see Time Range. Click the drop-down and select All Time. Now you'll see several checkboxes. Check these boxes: Browsing History, Download History, Cookies and other site data, Cached images and files, Site settings, and Hosted app data. Once you've selected the appropriate options, click on Delete from this device button. Let's clean up your extensions. Click on Extensions. You'll now see a page listing all your installed extensions. Remove any extensions you don't use or don't recognize from the list. After removing unnecessary extensions and keeping only the ones you actually use, Chrome should feel much lighter and downloads should be faster. Let's check if you're running the latest version. Click on About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates when you open this page. If there's an update available, you'll see a progress bar showing the download progress, a message saying Updating Chrome. Chrome will download and install the update automatically. This usually just takes a minute or two. Once the update is installed, you'll see a button that says Relaunch. Click it to restart Chrome with the latest version. Now, one last bonus tip. Open a new tab and type 1.1.1.1 and press Enter. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and download the version for your device. It's a free VPN with a built-in proxy option that helps you stay safe online and also access websites that may be blocked in your geographical area. Once downloaded, click the file and install it on your PC. After installation, click on the application icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click Next and accept the terms of use, then activate the switch button to enable it. I recommend testing whether it slows down your downloads in your area, as it can reduce internet speed in some locations. If that happens, disable it and only enable it when you need it for something specific. And that's it! You've now optimized Google Chrome for maximum download speed. If this tutorial helped speed up your Chrome browser, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your lightning-fast Chrome downloads.